What could go wrong? Good morning, everyone. We're up here at the house again this morning. We have one more rim joist to put on, so we're gonna get that taken care of this morning, and then we got to head to town to pick up some more supplies. So the guys are gonna jump on this. I'm editing a video. Let's get this last thing rolled out and head to town, guys. A little bit of rain going on, expecting some thunderstorms, but finally getting a video uploaded. But we gotta head to town, you guys, to pick up some supplies so we can build tomorrow. Let's go. What are you doing, Logan? Looking for what?
Ninjas. Hey.
You're on your own.
Stuck. You got wedged. All right.
Yo, watch it.
16-foot razor blades.
I see that. Alright. Well, we made it to the Home Depot, got what we needed, now we're heading out.
What? Now we're going to buy food. Again, because we can't survive without eating. What do you think of that?
It stopped raining.
Heck yeah. Alright, so you can see the car flashing and the person out on the bridge.
Good morning, everyone. Well, we got a dilemma this morning. We're on to the next step, which means we got to figure out how to get those things up there. I think Babes has figured it out. What do you got planned, baby?
I've got nothing figured out.
Dang. I was hoping, you guys.
It's heavy.
Well,
it's going to take more than just me to get them up there. I thought about using a tractor, but that thing is, so if I'm operating the tractor, then I'm not pulling the sheets, and we can't just leave our tractor sit and hope that it'll stay where we sit it.
Right.
Because it's leaky.
Mm-hmm.
And the seals are losing pressure, and so we can't just do that.
Well,
so it's hand pack.
We're gonna figure it out, you guys.
Yeah. Gonna try to slide it up a ladder.
It's gonna be fun.
And then we'll throw this in to stop it. And we'll just slide it up to this. That make sense? It may not work here. Okay.
What could go wrong? Alright, so we gotta figure out how to get all of these up that ladder. So we got our first piece positioned, and let's check out what Marcel's doing up there. What'd you do, Lovey?
I'll put the strap on the ladder with a clamp. Just in case it wants to slide, it'll only slide as far as the strap.
Awesome.
What I'll have to have you do is stand on the end of that ladder so it don't tip upwards when I pull this up. So I'm just going to pull this up. It is still just a piece of wood. Right? I just got to get the first couple up here.
Okay.
Once the first couple's up here, it won't be as bad.
Okay. I mean, I just think that there's gotta be some kind of system for this.
There is. Like, there's equipment for it. We don't have it. I don't have a power ladder. That would be sweet. That's the idea behind this system, is a power ladder
You're
system.
trying to do it manually, though. I got it.
We don't have a choice. I'm not trying to do it manually. We don't have a choice but to do it manually. What I'm thinking, though, is I might just put this clamp on that board now anyways, because it gets me to the end. I can stand out here and pull this up. At least I can step out that far. Tell me when I get close to the edge.
You are close. You are 2 inches from it.
From it falling off?
Yeah, from it, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let it fall off, okay?
Okay. Sweet.
Huh?
You pull a little further back with that.
Yeah, now I got something to stand on. I need a break for a minute. Hey. We did it. I'm happy. This is gonna be too hard to keep doing. Guess I keep trying to still. I know. There you go. And then make sure that the rope is on the top of the board. There you go. Hopefully that. Comes.
That's a good
It's good what?
clamp.
That's what I'm worried about. Can you clamp it like that? Before we get too crazy running down this thing, we need to make sure that we're also marking this. I mean, I got the nail there, I guess. That kind of tells me where my mixed Studenstein is. You know what a mixed Studenstein is?
Mm-hmm.
I just made it up. All right.
Is that because you had McDonald's last night?
See that?
Something that makes us complete when we finally see. Here with the sun on our backs, it's all we need.
All right, so I don't want a big fat chalk line on this, on the top here, so we'll drag it all the way out, and then we'll snap it in the air, and then we'll lay it down, okay?
There's love enough to go around, and space. Breathe it in and slowly breathe it out. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust. This freedom that comes with the calm helps us belong. 3,000 miles left behind, and still we run. It's oh so beautiful to fly with our arms out wide. There's love enough to go around, and space.
Ah. Okay, you guys gotta go first. Well, you guys, the first row is laid out. What a monumental moment, you guys.
Yeah.
All of these moments, they're monumental. I
Yeah.
mean, it's a first.
It's just gonna be one monument after another.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big monument when we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been crazy over the last couple of days, just running and going, and we had
Yeah.
to run to town last night
Yeah, we-
after all the work that we did yesterday.
Yeah, well, we finally got to a point to where we could finish up the rim joist. We got everything glued up, and we needed more screws. We did some research on this specific type, this Advantec subflooring. Comes with a lifetime warranty. They swear it's squeak proof, but you have to install it correctly. And they prefer that you install them with all screws. So we had to go buy more screws.
Yeah.
And I'm still gonna put some of the ring shank nails in as well, but I'm 100%ing this thing with screws
And glue.
and glue. So it's glue, screw, and we're doing an 1/8 inch gap in between each board, and we snapped a string line on our first one to get us started perfect. And this wall looks so good. I was so happy. It's on the layout. So if we went to the outside edge of the block with this, we would be on the money. 5 sheets total. But we got a little trimming to do down here because the outside edge of the wall will actually be the sheathing. So
Right.
that'll be
So
40
it
feet.
needs to come off a little.
Yep.
But good news, you guys. It looks like we actually are square. We're
Yeah.
pretty square, you
This thing is
guys.
square.
Heck yeah.
And it's super strong.
Mm-hmm.
Keep getting a lot of comments about the walls and supporting beams. This does not require any structural beams or any structural like support throughout. The I-beam joist is enough. Now it would be like a trampoline if you didn't have something, right? So we have a 6-inch wall, the entire length of the house, 10 feet in. That leaves us a 20-foot span. I may yet still build Gage's bedroom wall at 10 feet, and we may do another, like a beam right there, but it won't be an actual beam. We're leaving it open. Right. So what we'll do is we'll just
do a pole or a post or something.
Yeah, it'll be something.
To carry that weight. All right, you guys, we got this first row laid out. We're excited, but we're gonna be wrapping it up for today because it is about that time, you guys.
Yeah, it's the end of the day.
That's the end of the day.
And we worked really hard. We should be able to get a whole lot more than this done tomorrow.
Now that we have a system.
Yeah, that we have a system, and Gage is working with us all day tomorrow. So that'll be a biggie. We're ready to rock and roll.
Looks good, guys.
Yeah, the rain is gone for now. It's not too bad temperatures. Tomorrow's a little bit warmer than today, but it was beautiful. Took a long time to do 5 sheets, but that's how you have to do it. Now it's straight. Perfect, nice, perfect straight line. So when we put this next one in, it'll be perfect too.
Well, you guys, we appreciate you for tagging along with us on our daily journey. If you guys are enjoying our content, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Ring that notification bell.
Yep, it's down there. We found that out.
Share our videos.
That's what I do, and you know it's true.
Be sure to subscribe as well, you guys.
If you're not already subscribed, then I would encourage you to do so because it's fun. It's just a fun thing to do. You're like, bam, ding, 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 ding. You're subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, you guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Peace.
We got part of our floor on.
Yay!
All right, let's get it.